Hey everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So in this video we will see what is compile time polymorphism. In the previous video we have seen what is runtime polymorphism. So in this video we will see what is compile time polymorphism. So if you talk about the definition, so compile time polymorphism is the process of creating methods of same name but different type of parameters. Let's suppose we have a class of compile time polymorphism example, and inside this class we have created multiple methods of same name but different type of parameters. Here we have created a method of add type and we are giving the parameters different. So using the compile time polymorphism we increase the preference of user, like if user wants to give multiple variable at the same time, or if user wants to give variables of different data types, then we can handle such situation by defining multiple method of same name but different type of parameter. So this is all about the compile time polymorphism or method overloading in Java.